Good morning everybody and welcome to the channel. My lens is super foggy because it's super humid out. I'm gonna have to clean it. You may notice something different. There she is. All ready to go. Welcome to the channel. I am just getting ready to go pick up little buddy and head out. He started swimming classes, so I've just been going busy, and also I've been busy editing a few videos that I have for Okinawa High, which this is the website for Okinawa High if you want to know anything else what's going on in Okinawa, and also some videos for my friend Matt, who I just put back on the airport and sent him back to Connecticut. I'm gonna miss him, but I'll see him soon. Hopefully if I go to the States over the summer or in the fall, I'll definitely make it a point to do another meet and greet with Matt. He enjoyed his time here in Okinawa. I am no longer the Nostradamus of the NHL world. I got it totally wrong. God help the Vegas Golden Knights and the Capitals. Let them fight it out. I don't care who wins. So I picked up little buddy and we're on our way to swim class. We just got here. It's about a 30-minute drive from his school, and as you can see, he's pretty knocked out. Yeah. All right, so that worked out well, look. You're all ready, right? Yeah. Come on, let's go. We are ready, we are headed to swim class, and it is at, I don't even know what this place is. I think it's the Okinawa Swim Center or something like that. We'll figure it out. But I'm happy that he's here because he's learning so much. So here we go. Oh, man down.
Hey, Daddy, you're gonna be in the pool too.
I'm not gonna be in the pool. You're crazy. You waiting for swim class?
Yeah.
Yeah? You excited? I'm gonna find out the name of this place so you guys know exactly where I'm at. 15-minute swim lessons. And he thinks he's Aquaman. This place is called the Okinawa Marine Support Center. Do you like swimming?
Yeah.
Do you like it a lot?
Yeah.
Is my camera level?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah.
All right.
Except for Daddy Underpants.
Yeah, I'm not Daddy Underpants. We gotta nip that in the bud. This is the Okinawa Marine Support Center. Again, I'll put a link in the description. 15-minute swim lesson. It took me half an hour to get here, which is pretty ridiculous, but the results speak for themselves. In 2 lessons, he was already floating, which he couldn't do after a year of lessons at the Y in Virginia. And by the 4th lesson, he was already like learning how to swim without anything, without any assistance, and then flipping over by himself and floating. So to me, that's money well spent, because we live on an island and I don't want him to be unable to enjoy what we have here and unable to enjoy some more content that I'm gonna film. For instance, I wanna go snorkeling and I wanna take him with me, and I'm pretty sure right now he's good to go for snorkeling. And that's after 2 weeks of lessons, 15 minutes a piece, 4 days a week. Amazing. Well, moms and dads, get your kids in this class. It's pretty cool. Looks like rain over there. Anyway, great swim class. I put the information down at the bottom of the screen in the description. Little buddy woke up, he had a great time. As you can see, he's already diving now. Just an amazing swim facility, amazing teachers, and I'm not being paid to do this video, trust me, because those lessons aren't cheap, but they are effective. That said, if you know anybody in the military, active duty, or spouse, give them a hug or handshake, as in and easy, and I will see you next video.